Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on Samsung Galaxy A03. To do this, you'll need to open a Google Play Store. Inside we'll need to find Microsoft Edge. Right here you should see the install button like this. Click on it. When it's ready, you can open the app. Inside, sign in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna skip it. Accept or disagree with the data sharing. And lastly, set Microsoft Edge as a default browser. And here we can open any website. As you can see, this browser works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.